to the show called The Sound Collector. I started the car this morning, just turning black and gray for every step until I bang and carry them away. The whistling of the cats and the turning of the lock, the purring of the kitten, the ticking of the clock, the popping of the toast, the crunching of the flakes, when you split the marmalade, scraping of the mix, the hissing of the fry pan, ticking of the brim, the belly of the butter, the cry of the baby, squeaking of the chest, the swishing of the cat, I tried to cut the smile, she didn't let me. Left us our silence, that would never be the same. Bye everyone, so I give you a big kiss.